Akiaria hindi ya icera riake iria-ini ria Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, minista wa maai Arisi Wahome augite thirikari ni ihariirie kunina thina wa maai guku bururi-ini na njira ya kwenja na gwaka ndemu nyingi o uria kwahotekeka. Gatagati-ini ka ndemu iria igukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere ni ndemu ya Itare, Ndarugu, Kameme, Mwache hamwe na Thwake gatagati-ini ka ingi iria wira wacio urugamite no ni ukurikiririo kwa ihinda ria mieri 12.
The dams that are stored, some had funding, we will revive them. For example, Itare Dam, Ndarugu, Kameme, all these dams are a bit slow. Where we are, Mwache Dam, Thwake Dam, it is possible that we can be able to fasten, to speed up the implementation so that within the next maybe 12 months, we are able to launch them as completed projects.
Wahome augite tabarira ya waki wa ndemu ici ni guteithiriria kunina thina wa irio hamwe na kuongerera ikiro cia hinya wa thitima kuma maai-ini.
We shall maybe take 2-3 counties as models for both irrigation, hydropower and water to access to 100%, because our target is to access every Kenyan to water at 100%, so that no one is going without water.
Ihindaini o riu Wahome ni augite ni mararora na guthurima thogora wa waki wa ndemu ici niguo kunyihia garama ya guciaka, indi ni acakaite kunyihio gwa kigina kiria ministry no ibati guthukirwo ro mwaka gia gukinyaniria tabarira ici.
Develop water in a bigger way, maybe 100 times bigger, larger than we were doing. And therefore, with the constraint of the budget, we do not have a choice. We have to invite public investors, private partners, to partner with the government, with the public, to deliver on the water, access to water, sanitation and food security.
Mwena-ini wake mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini no David Rono augite thirikari iri mihango-ini ya kwarira na kwagirithia mitambo ya kiriu ya utambia wa maai.
Need to handshake with the county government and facilitate one another in terms of programs, in terms of capacity building, so that we can all deliver on this matter of water.
Rono ni atugiritie unyitaniri wa thirikari na honge itari cia githirikari, akiuga ni iteithitie na njira nene ari mihango ya gutambia maai matheru micii-ini ya muingi. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa wira.